Hey, how's it going? We're in the final few days of August and we've got a ton of competitions on the Discord. One of which is the coldest cloud tops on satellite. So what I'm going to do in this video is have a quick look and try to find the coldest cloud tops. To do this we're going to be using one site and one site only, and that is RamMB Slider, the very famous and very amazing website. On the default, RamMB Slider comes up with this, which is the geocolor. That's no good for us because we want to find the cloud top temperatures. And to find the cloud top temperatures, you go over to product, and then you want to have one of the eye infrared ones. I'm going to go for the clean IR window because it looks nice. Once the clean IR loads up, it kind of looks like this. And right now we're looking down at South America and North America. And you can see the coldest cloud tops. Well, the temperature is down in the bottom right and it is in Celsius, centigrade, and so the blacks are getting down into -80. So right straight away we can see that the coldest cloud tops are within these thunderstorms, particularly over here and over here. It's quite nice to put on a few place names, and to do that you can go to add map and go to cities, and that should load up a few things. It's kind of small to see, but there's Mexico City, this is Mexico, San Salvador, Guatemala. So we're looking at the East Pacific and into the Caribbean Sea. Coldest cloud tops look like they are in the East Pacific. There are some big bursts over here in the Caribbean Sea, but let's focus in on some of these guys in the Eastern Pacific. I've been staring at this for a little while, and there are the coldest cloud tops are going into the greys, so approaching -80 to -90 Celsius. There are some over here and over here. I think I'll zoom in on this complex over here. Well, yeah, they're getting up into -90. So I want to stop the frame and flick back through to find the coldest possible frame, and you know, there are a lot of similar looking ones, but let's pick one out. Where is going to be the absolute coldest looking, at least? Huh, there's a burst over there. Looks pretty cold. And here. Well, just gotta choose one, I guess. I will choose this. There we go. So this is our image. You can probably find some colder stuff elsewhere. Maybe check out Indonesia. But let's stick with this for the moment. And so we're going to save the image, go to download, and I guess you can go to all images separately, and that will do all the images. You can just screen grab it, and you can pick, if you want, but you can pick out your coldest cloud top. I guess I was going for this one. Once you've got your image, go down to thunderstorms and put it in there. Upload the file, put it on the desktop. It is, and say something clever like for vid cold clouds, and voila! For the cold clouds competition, you put in a little satellite emoji. So I need to add that on. And it's probably here. There it is. Voila! Okay, that's it. See you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, then you may find other videos on this channel of interest. Hitting the like button and subscribing really helps to support this channel. To get the latest videos, don't forget to enable all notifications.